Hey guys, today I'm going to be exploding a giant ball of TNT. This giant ball of TNT, not block, it has 12,208 TNT blocks in it. And we're just going to see the results. June, are you standing back?
Yep, I can barely see it.
Alright, let's get on a good fly speed. And here we are.
I just see it disappearing.
Oh, it looks like it's like... Whoa.
It looks like fireworks, but TNT fireworks.
Whoa! Is it not exploding? Whoa! Should not have got. It's like it wasn't there anymore. Oh my god. Still going.
What?
It's been a while.
Oh my god,
These
it
are the last
sounds like
few.
fire.
Oh my god, there's still more?
There's more. Yep. It just keeps appearing.
Oh my god, there's so much. There's. What the heck?
This is beautiful. I have to admit that it's
That was
beautiful.
the end of it. That was the end. Wow, so here's
Here's the results.
beauty. Here are the results.
Beautiful but deadly
Here,
results.
I'll just get inside one. So, ooh, there's a little light down there. That means there's like either lava or some kind of mine shaft. Lava. Alrighty.
I just leaving TNT everywhere.
Look at this. This is crazy. Oh, there's still more? June?
That's because I'm placing it. It's so fun.
Yep, so this is the aftermath, and thank you for watching.